Hi friends, I'm SANJAY from Poly Classes. In this video, I'm going to teach you the 4 important tips for managing your time for study. This is time management for your studies. I know that most of the students don't follow any time management techniques. They don't have a plan for study. So if you want to have a plan for studying, then you should have to manage your time for study. You have to allot this time. You should have a daily schedule. That means you have to allot a specific amount of time daily for your studies. And you have to stick to that time and do your studies every day at that time. So whatever the studies you have planned for that particular day, you have to complete in that particular time. Maybe it is 2 hours or maybe it is 3 hours. It may be homework, it can be self-study, it can be writing your notes, it can be writing your journals, or maybe you are learning for the next test. But you have to allot this timing every day. Maybe it is 2 hours, 3 hours or 4 hours, whatever it is. Maybe you start your studies at 6 o'clock and then you complete it by 9 o'clock, whatever it is. But you have to have a planned study and complete that study every day. The next important point is you should have a schedule for every subject. That means whatever the subjects you are going to learn in your formal or informal curriculum, you have to plan out to study that curriculum in specific small units or small modules or small schedules. And you have to complete that studies, work in that particular schedule. So this schedule depends on your capacity, how much work you can do. Maybe you can study for half an hour, that is 30 minutes or maybe 40 minutes. You plan for that particular subject and do that for 3 days in a week or 4 days in a week or 5 days in a week, whatever you are comfortable with. Another important point that I want to just add up here, you might find some of the subjects are very easy and some are very difficult from your point of view. So what if the subjects are easy from your point of view, you can plan smaller schedules or smaller modules so that you can complete that work in a small schedule and complete it and move on to the next subject. Maybe you have an easy subject, you can complete a schedule in 20 minutes. And if you are studying a difficult subject, you might need 30 or 35 minutes to complete the same amount of work. So that is the way you have to plan a schedule or module. And this will be planned for every subject. The third important point is you should have a weekly schedule. So whatever the daily schedule and the subject-wise schedule, you have to plan out for a particular week. That means that you can allot particular days for particular subjects, particular days for particular topics, and complete that in that scheduled time. Once you complete the work, then your level of confidence increases, your level of understanding increases, and you feel now that you have done some amount of work, you become enthusiastic, you become energized, your concentration level has increased and you feel that yes, you can do the work. And that is the feeling that you should have after implementing this weekly schedule. And the last point is plan a monthly schedule. So if you can plan a daily schedule, a subject-wise schedule, a weekly schedule. So in a particular week, you can complete a specific number of topics. In the next week, you can continue with the same subjects, the same topics in the daily schedule for different topics or different chapters. Third week, again, reschedule everything. Of course, you should have a daily schedule, subject-wise schedule, weekly schedule. But in that, you will be putting all the new topics that you have to complete. This way, you can plan for 4 weeks and you can get a monthly schedule. Once you get a monthly schedule, then you can plan this for another 2 months. That means you can complete your entire studies topic wise, subject wise in 3 months' time. That is approximately 12 to 13 weeks. So, friends, I've given you a very good plan for time management. Planning with time is the correlation. If you have a plan but you don't allot the time, nothing can happen. You have allotted the time but there is no plan, nothing can happen. So you have to have a plan and a time schedule, combine them together, execute them, and you are sorted out about your studies. Within 2 weeks, you will understand that you have done a lot of work. By the end of the third week, you know that yes, you can get good marks. After the fourth week, I can guarantee that you will be doing exemplary work. So, friends, if you want to get the best marks, the best results, you should manage your time. Plan, allot the time, combine them, and get the results. So, friends, this is it. Keep watching, keep learning. Subscribe to my channel Power Classes. Click on the bell icon to get further notifications. Thank you.